A new cam belt arrived. It's a gauge, supposedly the
best of the best.
Best of the best, 152 teeth. So, another day.
Yep, another challenge.
Another challenge. Got all kind of pulley. We marked it for the timing alignment. This is also a gauge belt. Yep. This is the fan belt. This is a cover. We got some tools out already. Engine.
Yep.
And yeah, we'll see if we're gonna start today. And test driving, maybe, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And then hopefully not get stuck on the hill again. Not looking forward to driving up the hill again. It's the only way out of this place. Steep uphill, narrow road.
Yeah.
Only one car can pass. So let's hope we're not getting stuck again.
Yep.
We made it ready to do it yourself, but not ready to drive yet.
No.
Because before we drive, we have to warn our neighbor next door. A Dutch lady. She knows that we're working, but when we start there's a lot of black smoke. So I want to let her know when we're starting she can hide. Take cover, close the doors and everything.
Yes, buddies, the cam belt is on. But yeah, we still have to adjust and fine-tune a bit of stuff and things. Well, buddies, the moment of truth. Will it start? Oof. Smoky. Wow, it's running, amazing. Wow, amazing. So far, so good. So I guess they're going on a test drive. Ooh, the lights. Horn works. Lights work. So, yep, blinkers work. Yep. Awesome. Big lights work. So yeah. You going on a test drive?
Yeah.
On the phone? Just in case? Phone. Yep. Well, buddies. Moment of truth. The test drive. Still smokes a bit. But I guess, yeah. Let's see how far they will get. Let's remove the rock so they can get away. Duh. Yes. La 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 la. British. Let's see if she can make it up the hill. Bye. Still a bit smoky, I see. But, seems to be moving. Got a cheer from the French. Well, it's 1:15. Let's see when they get back. Bye. Yeah, the French are calling for champagne. There you go, buddies. Let's see when they'll get back. I think she made it up the hill. Amazing. So, well, we'll wait. Well, buddies, they've been gone for 10 minutes now. So, let's see. I don't hear anything yet. When they will get back. Well, buddies, they've been gone for 20 minutes now. And yes, I hope they'll make it back. It feels like an eternity waiting. So hopefully everything is okay. And yeah, they'll be back. Well, it is. I hear a familiar engine. Or not? Oh no. It's a different car. Well, sorry, my bad. Although, hey, no. Guess who's coming? Yes, it is. It's Penny. There she comes.
Bueno, bueno. Bueno, champagne.
Champagne. Mm. 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 Well, everybody is very happy, and so are we. So, wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Paul. It's amazing. Oh, let me get the stoel. Wow. So, how did it go? What did you
We
think?
made it back.
Yes,
Yeah, we
amazing.
Were you worried?
A bit. It was 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
It's a long way.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
It drives good. It's
Yeah.
quiet.
it sounds quieter, yeah.
And there was no dripping of oil.
Oh, wow.
But there's smoke. There's
Yeah,
some smoke.
I saw, yeah.
Now I'm having a look.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's no oil on top.
Oh, wow.
We're having too much good luck, I'm worried.
All right.
Well, it is. This is a site for sore eyes. We're in the cabin. And we're gonna go for a test drive.
Again.
Again. It's the doghouse is all fixed together. It's under here. And yeah, well, we'll see how she goes. If she goes. Ooh. Wow. Here we go, please. Very exciting. It's been a long while. Bye.
Thanks. You go first.
Yeah, yeah. Bye. Well, buddies, this is amazing. Bye. Oh boy, here we go, buddies. Will we make it up the hill? Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. Yeah. Here's another one.
We tuned it a little because we had a lot of black smoke.
Yep, yep, yep.
That's why we're taking another test drive
Yep.
with the van.
Ooh.
This time Petra is coming.
Yep. Oh, another motorhome.
You guys are coming.
Yep.
I do smell a bit of a burny smell.
Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, doggy. A burning smell?
Burning smell. Could that be the cover that's on it?
I hope not.
Cover is put an oily cover on it.
Oh, yeah.
Seems to be quieter than it's
Yeah, true.
been.
We can actually understand each other now.
Right?
Amazing.
It's quieter.
It does, yeah.
Right?
Uh-huh.
We don't have to shout at each other.
Wow. You can go to the swimming pool.
You have to give it a bit of a test.
Yeah, of course.
But it went up the first hill.
Yeah, amazing.
That was sort of the best test. When it, because it didn't go up the hill before.
Yeah.
Now it's tuned a bit down, the richness of the fuel.
Yeah.
And I have to see if there's not a lot of black smoke coming out.
Yep.
But it's a bit of a bendy.
Yeah. Windy roads.
I don't see any smoke so far, but I didn't see any smoke on the way over first time either. But I could see some on the way back when we turn around and go back.
Yeah.
I think there's some white smoke now.
Oh boy. Well, that's usually not as bad as black smoke, I think.
Okay.
Stuff is sliding. Blink. Need to fix that.
So these are the tests that we're doing
Yeah.
to see if we have a fighting chance
Yep.
to get back to the Netherlands again.
Wow, it sounds
It sounds quiet, eh?
It does. It's like a completely different engine. Wow.
Let's stop again.
No. Yeah. We're going back, buddies. So.
Now let's go. Hardly any smoke.
Yeah.
Hardly any smoke, so.
Wow.
I think this is as good as it gets.
Yeah.
There's some power up the hills. It sounds quiet. It sounds purry.
It's a purry penny.
Purry penny. What do you think, Petra?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's wow.
I think it's good.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it is weird driving again after so many months. It's how's it for you?
Awesome. It's my day out.
Yeah. It's a big day out.
It's following us.
Uh-oh.
I think they went to the corn factory.
Yeah, looks like it.
We're almost out of fuel, so we need
Ah, yeah. We need some.
to fuel up the next time.
Yeah.
What it cost here?
Ganache.
This is as good as it gets.
Yeah. So, yeah. Good enough for grocery shopping?
Yes.
Awesome.
Let's just look if something's coming or not.
It seems to be clear. So, here we go. Going down. Well. busy, yeah. Lots of people.